The world demanded we change, so we became better. Circumstances kept us apart, so we found each other through technology. We invented new ways to communicate, built new relationships, found new common ground on our journey to greatness. Every day we evolve, inside and out. We innovate and we grow. We create and we learn. We struggle and we thrive. At Poly, the technology advances, but the mission remains the same. We empower people to be their best. We create equality through experiences. We tear down walls and shatter ceilings by making the building itself global. When connecting is simple and distractions are removed, everyone can be seen and heard clearly. All places are equal and possibilities grow. We work together, we laugh together, we create together, we win together. This is the power of meeting equality. This is the power of Poly.